Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of EDY646. In module 2, you did a wonderful job in your small groups, really providing the basics of what your case study is going to be, and then getting some feedback from each other. And I think you guys gave each other some wonderful suggestions and some things to think about. And that's really what the discussions are for. It's to give you an opportunity to interface with different people in the course and being able to sort of throw ideas back and forth to one another. And in week 3, we are going to be moving on to observing physical development in young children. So there's going to be 3 assignments. So first, you're going to find the PowerPoints, and they're going to give you an overview of physical development and the use of checklists and rating scales. They're actually really great forms for you to be able to use in your practice. Under the Read, Watch, and Learn tab, again, you're going to find the lecture notes. There's going to be one on observation using checklists for physical development, and also reflexes and other considerations, and any other research that you are interested in doing as well. So you feel free to continue to look into particular areas with physical development or any areas of development that you find of high interest. And during our discussions, share any resources that you may have run across in your personal research. So you're going to work in a small group discussion with your classmates again this week. The groups have been assigned at random. So the first week, I think the original frame of this course was to be in sort of student-alike groups, and there's so much crossover between all of you, and there was also no way for me to know who your students were until you posted in week 2. We did random groups. So we're going to continue with the random groups. I think that worked really well, and I assigned you to different random groups because I want you to have an opportunity to get feedback and suggestions from different classmates to support your thinking. So you're going to complete the readings, and then by Saturday, post to the discussion board, given what you've already shared about your child. Think about a little bit more about the focused child and your program type, and if you have any updates on your case study and the questions that you were considering, and then talk about the observation method that you're using or considering, and think about, in this case, because we're talking about physical development, is there anything specifically about physical development that you really would like to have a conversation with your classmates? Or we can go back to social and emotional development as well, too. So we're using these discussions to sort of build upon what we're doing and have opportunities to have conversations with different people in the class and get different perspectives. The other assignment you're going to have is you're going to review checklist 8 and 9. So that's birth through 3 years of age. And then the other checklist is 3 to 8. You're going to watch the video of Samantha on the playground and Henry Gets Around, and use the right checklist, the one for the correct ages. And you're going to upload a Word document about how much you were able to learn about Samantha or Henry by using those checklists. And if you can think of a specific question you would want to see answered by completing that kind of an objective kind of observation. And is there another method that you would have preferred to record your observations other than the checklist? And then you're to upload both your checklist and your reflection into Blackboard. Hopefully that won't be difficult to get all 3 of those uploaded. And then you're going to continue on with your second chapter of your of your case study. And this one is going to be the observation of physical development. Again, go to module 6 if you would like to look at any samples of that draft domain chapter. There is a draft chapter outline this week. I was able to find the one for this week that you should be able to open up. I'm sorry, I had such a difficult time finding it last week, and it was posted so late, so I apologize for that. Continue on with week 3. You will notice as you get your assignments back for week 2, I will comment on your chapters. And then remember, you have time between Module 5 and Module 6, there's an extra week built in for you to be able to go back through all of your chapters, do any tweaking based on what you've learned or any comments that I've made. So in Module 6, you can turn in your completed case study. If you have any questions, you all know how to reach me. You can reach me either through the message board or directly emailing me. I try to get back to people as soon as possible. If you are interested in any of the 3 remaining Sunday night meetups, throw me an email and I will send you an invitation. They are from 7 to 7:45-ish, however long we take. If it's a little under, a little over, that's okay. Otherwise, I look forward to hearing from all of you in the discussion board. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to message or email me, and have a wonderful week. Take care.